Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to Tech Thought. I have created this channel just to share my thought. Okay. Today I'm going to talk about cloud service. First we'll see what is a cloud service. Cloud service is nothing but it's an online service. So we'll get the service from online. Okay. So there are different service they're providing currently in the online nowadays. Like for example, Cloud Kitchen. It's one of the example. We'll get the food on as an online service, and also the food delivery also will get it as an online service. So online service is nothing but we'll subscribe and we'll pay and we'll use it. So those kind of things we'll call it as online service. So, but here today I'm going to talk about the software related cloud services. So software related cloud services means and in the earlier days we are whenever we are trying to build the software and if we want to install, so everything will be in our own, like we need to keep it we need to keep it our server separately, and we need to build our software, everything we need to install it in our system, and we need to develop, and then we can host our application in our server. From then we can expose our service in the internet. So that is where we are following it up. But nowadays, so everything will be provided as a ready-made as in the cloud service. Okay. So here at a high level, cloud service means we'll get software related service online. So that is what we can call it as a cloud service. So the cloud service, software related cloud service, they have differentiated in the three type. One is infrastructure as a service. They're providing it in the cloud as a cloud service, and the second one will be the platform as a service, and then third one will be that like software as a service. Um, so these are the main categories in the software cloud services. Now we'll see what is infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means, like, as I explained, if you want in the earlier days, if you want to host your application, then you need to purchase that server, and then you need to configure it, and you need to install your software, and there then we need to take care of the all the network related configurations, and network related softwares and security softwares, all those things we need to install it in the server, and we need to maintain it. So those, instead of doing all those things, someone will already, there is a existing ready-made setup, so where we can subscribe and we can use it. That is where we will call it as a infrastructure as a service. In this category, it will come, for example, yeah, we can subscribe that virtual machine on the cloud service, and then we can use the multiple ready-made existing network related softwares and security related softwares. It's installed on the server itself. So then no need to maintain it. There is a maintenance software. It's there, and there itself it will take care all those maintenance and server downtime. Everything will be taken care of as part of cloud service. So for that, simply we need to subscribe it, subscribe our VMs, and then we can use it. So it's up to our use cases, our requirements. So based on our requirement, we can subscribe the different resources which is available in the online cloud services. Then we can utilize it. On the main advantage of this, in the sense that no need to maintain it. Maintenance is not required. Everything will be taken care, and it will provide detail, graph how that memory usages and resource usages, all those things will be taken care. Simply we can go like subscribe and use it. Those kind of category we can go into that. So then the another type of cloud service is that is called platform as a service. Again, this is kind of this is kind of software development services. Like for example, if you want to develop a software, or if you want to write any program, you need to install many tools. and databases, all those things you need to install it in your local machine, then you need to build it. Instead of you need to configure it. Instead of doing that, there is a ready-made software development platform, and that cloud, as a cloud service, we can subscribe and we can use it. So then from there we can write the coding. So only the thing is, no need to configure everything. And then only thing is, you need to focus on that your business logic. Simply you can write your business logic, and that then you can deploy it in the server itself. So that kind of services we'll call it as platform as a service. And the third one will be the software as a service. Let's say if you want to consume any kind of API in the security related things, or some, if you want to use some services like the security part, or if you want to consume some kind of third party API, so those kind of things, it will be available as a software. Means it's a software, it's hosted in the cloud, and which will be provide service, which will be exposed in the outside user. So whoever want, then they can subscribe and they can use it. So those kind of services, again, we will call it as a software as a service. So these are the major categories in the cloud services. Now the other one will be that cloud service provider. So there are n number of cloud service provider in the market nowadays. So top three cloud service providers are, like Amazon Web Service Provider. It's a number one. It's always, and the huge number of customer they're using Amazon Web Services. And the second one will be the Azure. Microsoft Azure. So that is second largest cloud service provider. So the third one will be the Google Cloud. So these are the top three cloud service providers. So again, it's the most of the cloud services. It's available in all three. Means all of the cloud service provider. The things will be that cost and subscription type and usage. So those things will differ. So based on our use case and requirement, we can select any one of the service provider, and we can utilize their services. So that is what we'll call it as a cloud service provider. In the next topic, I'm going to talk about more on the one of the cloud service provider. Mostly, I'm going to pick it up that Amazon. Sorry, I'm going to talk about the Microsoft Azure. More about it in the next session. Thank you.